Hi, I'm Osama Jabbar, PMP Authorized Training Partner, PMP Instructor. This course is the Project Management PMP Certification Preparation course. This course consists of 6 lessons: business environment, start the project, plan the project, lead the project teams, support project team performance, close the project or close the phase. First lesson is business environment. It consists of foundation, strategic alignment with our business goals, project governance, and project compliance are very important aspects that we will cover as well. Learning objectives of the first lesson are defining what a project is, discussing strategic alignment and its elements, identifying types of business value, describing change management, defining and discussing project governance, explaining project compliance and its importance. Lesson 2. Start the project. We will learn how to identify and engage stakeholders, how to form the team, how to build shared understanding, how to determine project approach. Learning objectives of the second lesson are defining and discussing stakeholders and the most effective ways to communicate with them. Explain the best ways to form a team. Describe how to build the most effective understanding of the project. Explain how predictive and adaptive life cycles work. Lesson 3 is planning the project. Planning the project's scope, schedule, resources, budget, risks, quality, and how to integrate plans. Lesson 3 learning objectives are explaining the importance of project management plan, provide an overview of scope planning, schedule planning, resource planning, budgeting structure, and explaining the importance of tailoring a budget, identifying strategies for dealing with risks and risk planning, responses to risk, defining quality and how it relates to the outcome of the project, discussing the importance of integrating project management plans, and tailoring a change management process. Lesson 4. Lead the project team. Craft your leadership skills, create a collaborative project team environment, empower the team, support team member performance, communicate and collaborate with stakeholders, training, coaching, and mentoring of your team members, then how to manage conflict. The learning objectives are discuss the guidelines for developing leadership competencies and skills. Describe artifacts and the strategies for their use. Identify the characteristics and core functions of empowered teams. Explain strategies and forms of communication for collaborating in a project team environment. Learn the value of training, coaching, and mentoring for a team. Explain the importance of conflict management. Discuss the causes and levels of conflict and their outcomes. Lesson 5. Support project team performance. Implement ongoing improvements, support performance, evaluate project progress, manage issues and impediments, manage changes. Learning objectives of Lesson 5 are explain the various methods for implementing improvement, explain the various methods for performance measurement, compare the methods with a focus on communication and accountability, identify the methods for implementing a project and the issues and impediments that arise during the project. Describe the methods for implementing changes during a project. Lesson 6. You will learn how to close the project or a phase. What are benefit realizations and what they mean? How we do knowledge transfer. Learning objectives of Lesson 6 are Define the reasons and activities related to the closure of a phase or a project. Explain the benefits gained from a project or a phase and how they are managed or sustained. Examine the reasons for knowledge transfers and how they relate to the closure of a project or phase. Then at the end, as a bonus, I will show you how to use AI and how to use PMI Infinity to answer your questions related to project management. Then I will show you how to do exam simulation using ChatGPT. Enroll now.